Color rules in ad creative. The harmony of colors in the video ad from the first seconds influences the viewer's perception. The blending of colors and lack of contrast can be a mistake, as it can lead to the viewer not knowing what to focus on, and they may simply flip through the video. A dull or monotonous color palette can lead to a blurring of elements, making the work visually unreadable and lacking focus. Contrast and readability. Contrast is an essential aspect of design that helps to emphasize important elements in a composition, improves readability, and makes visual elements more comprehensible and appealing. The main types of contrast. Number 1. Color contrast. Number 2. Contrast in brightness and saturation. Number 3. Temperature contrast. Number 4. Stroke. Harmony of colors. Color harmony is the art of combining colors in a way that is pleasing to the eye and creates a balanced aesthetic. To achieve this, a color wheel, a visual tool that illustrates the relationships between colors, can be used. There are several types of color harmonies, including Number 1. Analog harmony. This is a type of harmony that uses shades of colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. Number 2. Complementary harmony. It consists of two shades that are as far apart as possible from each other on the color wheel. Number 3. The harmony of the triad. It consists of 3 colors equally spaced on the color wheel. Number 4. The harmony of the tetrad. It consists of 4 shades. The layout scheme for these shades on the color wheel can be square, trapezoid, or rectangle. The rule of 3 colors. Using 3 colors helps to maintain balance and harmony, avoiding congestion. The primary color, 60%, sets the tone, the secondary color, 30% supports it, and the accent color, 10%, highlights the key elements. This rule focuses on the important elements and creates a harmonious composition. The psychology of color in ads creative. In video ads, basic colors like green and red play a significant role in influencing the viewer's perception and response. Green conveys a sense of safety and success, highlighting positive aspects like achievements and rewards. Red, on the other hand, draws attention to potential dangers and challenges, evoking feelings of unease and tension. These colors help to effectively communicate important information quickly, manage the audience's emotions, and encourage actions like downloading a content. The mood in the creative. Dim scenes with muted colors can create a specific emotional impact, often associated with feelings of sadness, anxiety, or fear. In contrast, bright frames with saturated colors can convey energy, joy, and optimism. These vivid scenes are often used in promotional videos to attract attention, create a sense of fun, and encourage action.